from this to this in 14 days. As you can see here on this YouTube About, this is actually a new channel, and if you go here, you're going to see that this channel was created on the 31st of May 2025, and today's date as of when this video was recorded is 14th June. So you can see that it's actually 14 days. So this is how I actually got this 1000 subscribers. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I got my first 1000 subscribers. So guys, stay with me to the end of this video to understand the whole steps. So looking here is my channel. I made a video on how to get your first 1000 subscribers, and most people did not actually take it very serious, but I actually applied that method on my channel, on this new channel, and it actually worked out. So I'm going to go to my analytics, my YouTube studio, just like this. So looking here is what happened when I started creating shorts. This was how my views skyrocketed from being flat just like this to increasing up to 1000. Now this is actually a new channel. I did not actually expect it to do this much. So this was my watch hour, and this was my subscribers. My subscribers actually moved from this from 0, 6, 7 and skyrocketed when I started uploading more shorts. As you can see here. So this is what I did. I actually upload more shorts. When I started uploading more shorts on my channel, I started getting this amount of subscribers from my shorts. In that video where I actually taught you guys how to get your first 1000 subscribers, I'm going to leave that video on this video's description, so you can go ahead and watch that video to understand the method I actually explained on that video. That was the exact method I applied on this channel and got these views. Most of the views here, most of the subscribers here actually came from shorts. And once I got my first 1000 subscribers, I had to delete all those shorts because they are not my original content, and I want to continue uploading my original content because I don't want divided attention on my YouTube channel. So that was actually why I deleted the shorts immediately I got 1000 subscribers. The shorts were not actually my original content. In that video, I actually taught you guys how to do it. It actually complies to YouTube fair use policy. So guys, this was how I actually got my first 1000 subscribers. Another thing you need to take note of in order to get your first 1000 subscribers is to actually make sure you are telling your audience to subscribe to your channel, either at the beginning, at the middle, or at the end of your YouTube video. You need to make sure you are telling your audience to subscribe to your channel, and you need to make sure that your channel videos are actually educating or entertaining your audience. That way they are likely to subconsciously hit the subscribe button even without thinking twice. So the content is the main thing. You need to make sure that your content is a very good one, and it's actually not divided content whereby you're creating different and multiple things on your channel. You need to focus on a particular niche, and once any of your viewers view your channel, they're going to know exactly that, hey, this channel is talking about this particular thing, and they are likely going to hit the subscribe button if that interests them. If you go to my YouTube channel just like this, you're going to see why it says all about YouTube strategies and fixing app issues. With this, anyone that actually entered my YouTube channel just like this are going to know immediately that this channel would be talking about YouTube strategies and how to fix app related issues. So if this is what they actually like, they are likely to hit the subscribe button. So you need to make sure that you add a YouTube About on yours and describe what your channel is all about. With this way, you are going to easily get your first 1000 subscribers. Hope you found this video helpful, because if you actually come to the very end of this video, and ensure you watch that video I'm going to leave on this video description. Do it to like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell, and tell me in the comment section if you found this video helpful. Tell me as well if you are still having any problem getting your first 1000 subscribers. I wouldn't hesitate to give you a feedback as soon as possible. See you in my next video. This channel is actually for you.